So a lot of people complaining about Pi network is not working for them. When they click the mining is not moving. So today I'm going to show you how to fix Pi network app not working. Okay, so if you are using iPhone or Android, so I'm going to give you the guidelines for both of them. Okay, so the first one, which is if you are using iPhone, all you have to do is that just go to the settings, find setting, go to the setting, then come to the general, click the general, come to the iPhone storage, click the iPhone storage, then find the app. So we have to find the Pi network app. So after finding the Pi network app, here we are, click the Pi network app, then come to the delete app. So you have to delete the app. This deleting app will delete all the data related to this app, okay, in this iPhone. So after that, after you click the delete app, and then all you have to do is that install the new app. After installing the old version of Pi, then reboot your phone, means restart your phone. So after restarting your phone, then use data to log in. After using data, sometimes using Wi-Fi is not working for it to start the mining. Okay, use data first to start the mining. After that, then you can switch to the Wi-Fi, then good to go. And then if I using Android, okay, if you're using Android, is go to the app store settings. After going to the settings, then click the applications. After clicking the applications, then the next things is that click the manage app. After clicking the manage app, then go to the find the app. After finding the app, then click all the storage, or clear all the storage, or clear all the data that on it. Okay, after clearing it, then restart your phone, then good to go. But like I said that earlier, you have to use data, because sometimes the ITSB Wi-Fi is not allow Pi network to continuous mining. Okay, so this is it. This is how you are going to resolve all your problems that in Pi network, which is not working for you. So if you find this video useful, do share it to your friends who have same problem to you, and then don't forget to subscribe, like, and make a good comment, and then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.